Hi, my name is Louise and I'm the Operations Manager at Polestar. The nature of my role means that I get involved in all departments within the company, as well as working closely with partners and customers to deliver projects. My key focus is to continuously review our internal processes to improve the quality of service delivery for our end users. I also liaise with our partners to maintain our accreditations and build proposals for customer projects. I enjoy my role as it's given me a broad view of how a specialist technology company is run, from marketing, sales, design and R&D through to project management, delivery and after-sales support. At each stage, I get to see how new innovations and technology are used to the benefit of our customers. I would say that the main thing that thrills me about the tech industry is that the improvements and the efficiencies gained from the technologies that we install can make a significant difference to factory energy consumption, waste reduction, and to network security. As an operations manager, and even in my personal life, my pet hates have always been inefficiencies and waste. So I get real satisfaction knowing that we are minimizing these things for our industrial clients. This in turn benefits society as a whole through reduced pollution. I also enjoy the diversity of the work that I do. Every day is different and I get to meet and work with a variety of people.